Today, I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC Mini Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Intel Core i9-13900 Hong Kong dollars is the core reason this system feels different. In real use, the hybrid architecture with performance cores and efficiency cores works exactly as intended. Heavy foreground tasks get priority, without the system becoming unresponsive in the background. You can be compiling code, exporting video, running multiple applications, and still browse or manage files without stutter. What stands out most is how composed the system feels when all cores are active. There is no sense of panic from the machine, no sudden dips in responsiveness, just steady, predictable performance. That is usually something you associate with well-cooled laptops or full desktops, not a compact mini PC. The included 32 GB of DDR4 memory plays a major role in that experience. While DDR5 gets a lot of attention, the implementation here is well-balanced and mature. Memory-intensive workloads like video timelines, large Photoshop files, multiple browser profiles, or virtual machines run comfortably without forcing the system to page to disk. Switching between tasks is fast and reliable, and the ability to expand up to 64 GB means this machine will not age out quickly for professional users. It feels like a system you can grow into rather than outgrow within a year. Storage performance is another area where the Mini M1 feels genuinely premium. The PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD delivers fast boot times and snappy application launches, but more importantly, it stays fast under repeated file operations. Large media files move quickly, project folders open instantly, and the system never feels bogged down by disk activity. For anyone working with large datasets or high-resolution footage, that consistency matters more than peak speed claims. Knowing you can expand storage up to 4 TB also makes this viable as a long-term workstation rather than a short-term solution. Gaming performance is exactly what it should be for a mini PC of this class, and that is a compliment. Esports and competitive titles run smoothly at medium settings, with stable frame rates and no unusual spikes or drops. The integrated graphics are not pretending to replace a dedicated GPU, but they are more than capable for casual gaming and light creative workloads. More importantly, the system does not throttle aggressively when gaming for longer sessions, which is often the Achilles heel of compact machines. Thermals stay under control, and performance remains consistent rather than degrading after 20 minutes. For creative professionals, the Mini M1 proves itself in video editing and rendering workloads. Timeline scrubbing is smooth, exports are predictably fast for an integrated solution, and the CPU handles sustained workloads without dramatic clock drops. Photo editing, color grading, and even moderate 4K editing feel comfortable on this machine. It is not just that it can do these tasks, but that it does them without constantly reminding you that you are working on a small form factor system. Connectivity is one of the Mini M1's strongest practical advantages. The inclusion of USB 4 changes how flexible this system is. High-speed external storage works flawlessly, data transfers are extremely fast, and the option to connect an external GPU dramatically expands the performance ceiling. That single port alone extends the useful lifespan of the machine by years for users who may want more graphical power down the line. Wi-Fi 6E performance is stable and fast, even in congested environments, and the 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port delivers consistent wired performance for large file transfers, servers, or professional network setups. Multi-display support also feels thoughtfully implemented. Running 3 displays simultaneously is smooth and reliable, with no flickering or random signal loss. For productivity-focused users, this turns the Mini M1 into a surprisingly capable command center for multitasking, trading, coding, or content management. The system never feels overwhelmed by the additional displays, which speaks to the strength of both the CPU and the platform design. Cooling is where many mini PCs struggle, but the dual-fan setup here does a respectable job. Under light workloads, the system is quiet enough to disappear into the background. Under heavier loads, fan noise increases, but remains controlled and predictable rather than sharp or distracting. More importantly, the cooling system prioritizes stability. Performance does not collapse under sustained load, which reinforces the sense that this machine was designed for real work rather than short demos. The pre-installed Windows 11 Pro experience is clean and ready to go. There is no unnecessary setup friction, and professional features like advanced security options and virtualization support are immediately available.